It's Saturday, 1st of May, and it's been raining 24 hours possibly, on and off, not heavy, but the sun has just decided to come out. As you can see, the rain's only just left. I don't know if you can see my washing on the hill up there. It's been rinsed a few times by rainwater. It's the 3rd of May and it's a lovely sunny day today. The dye's still got a little damp in that rain, so I'm drying it out. And from today, we don't have to have a valid reason to travel more than 10 kilometres. So, trying to work out where to go. Steve and I collected this yesterday. It's 400. That looks a very, very similar paint colour to the Caban, but it's rather neat inside. It's kitted out as a camper. And this has been put in the rear wheel arches. Has got the gas bottle in it, and then on the back door is a gas cooker mounted up there. And in here is the bed. Not much room for storage. I suppose you could leave it up like this, but it is rather cleverly designed. I don't know what's in there. I need something to just open that. Oh, unless that works. No, need something to hook in there. See if this screwdriver does it. I think that does that. No, it's come away, but it's another shelf. Quite clever. It will apparently be for sale later this year. Another shot of it. You can see those are non-standard rear windows. It was 74, maybe 75 when Citroën removed the rear windows, and lots of people have fitted them again later. What do you think of these rear wings? I've not seen before. They're metal. I think they're metal. They've got this rather elegant lip on them.
Oh, so this property's up here. Yeah.
Next job is we've been driving these stakes in here to put some sleepers behind, so we can trap some soil behind and make a bit of a terrace effect along here rather than a steep bank. But we're banging them in by hand, so it's quite tough going. Having got the posts in, Steve's trying to dig behind it with the digger so we can drop the first sleeper in and then backfill it. The Méhari has been pressed into use as a pickup, clearing away some of the garden rubbish. Let's go onto the compost, which is this area here on the left now, which will eventually be the flower garden. And 3 railway sleepers now in there for transporting up. We have a sleeper in the digger bucket, and now we've got to try and manoeuvre it into place. I realise I'm standing under that. I'm going to have to move that fig tree a little bit. drop it, I think, Steve, and we'll manhandle it.
Yes, let's drop it now.
Yep. I think the rest of it's going to be doing it by hand. Although that doesn't look too bad. And the second one's coming in. Again, I'll move the fig tree.
That's behind the metal poles, isn't it?
Yep. Now.
Okay, we're behind the posts.
Yep. It's now been extended a little bit more. The second part took a lot less than the first, which is a good job because we're getting tired now. Having got 3 sets of railway sleepers in, we've now got to backfill behind with some clay soil to put some topsoil on top of it. So this is what a working Méhari does.